Hello friends, welcome back to the Real Estate Websites and Marketing Show with Sawan Kumar. Today in this video, I'm not going to share with you anything new. Today in this video, I'm not going to share with you something that you don't already know. Well, this is about the social media and online presence. When we talk of social media today, it is no longer a friend and family platform. It is no longer that dating app that you used to use social media for, but it is a lot more today. And if you are not on social media today, if you are not serious, if you are not willing to give whatever you can on social media, then there's something that you are going to miss. And therefore, I divide the present scenario in three situations. Number one are those real estate agents who are already actively using social media for their growth. Number two are those agents who have started to think about getting started with social media and online presence. Good. And number three are those who are still doubting the relevance of social media in real estate. They still think that social media is not for real estate. They still think that because of the transaction volume or the things involved in real estate does not go with social media. Well, this video is not for you. This video is for the first two people who are either already active on social media or who are actively thinking of getting active on social media. So this video is for you. I'll be telling you 6 things that you, as I said, already knew about social media, but somehow you have either stopped doing it, or you found it not to be very relevant, or to not to be very profitable, or you did not get any return or response or engagement and you stopped doing it. So you already know it, but you need somebody to say that to you again so that you start using it, because whatever I am going to say you today is of no less value. It is of actually much more value, and will help you in growing your online presence, in growing your social media presence, and in growing your business a lot. So the 6 things, the 6 points, the 6 ideas of the 6 ideas for real estate agents who want to grow on social media are: number 1, getting live on social media. You have seen a lot of your friends, your colleagues, your competitors, the influencers getting live very frequently on social media, and you have been wondering if it is worth it, if they get the return that they expect from going live, or just because you tried it for a couple of times and you did not get any engagement or any response, you stopped doing it. Yes, this has happened with a lot of people, and this has also happened with me in the past. Whatever I say in my videos, whatever I share with you in my videos, those are most of the times from my personal experience that I have faced in my life, the challenges, the problems, the things that I have faced in my life, and the solutions that I have given to myself to solve them out. So going live on social media is crucial for your online growth, for your fast growth. People want to see you online. And why is going live so important? Because going live shows the unedited version of you, shows to your followers the real you. They can get connected with you in real time. Whatever questions they ask, you can respond to them in real time. They get to know that, okay, you are a real expert and not somebody who answers or who copies somebody else's content. So yes, getting live, going live is very important. Number 2 is using TikTok. Once again, TikTok is also no longer an entertainment or a short video platform where we only used to use it for fun and laughter. Well, it's a lot more today. TikTok is very important for your online growth, for your social media growth, and it can be the gateway of getting a lot of leads and sales and customers and clients. Start using TikTok today, using reels and short videos. Well, videos today are so important that I do not even need to tell you, because you yourself, when you are on social media, you watch the videos most of the times. So you can understand your clients are also doing the same, and you being on videos, be it on Instagram or YouTube or TikTok or whatever platform you are on, it's important that you are in the video format, not just texts, not just images, but in videos, short and crisp videos is what people want to see, people want to hear. The number 4th idea is to use captions and subtitles. Videos do not do everything. Videos alone do not do everything. What you also need to do is make sure that you make the videos interactive, engaging. And how do you do that? By adding subtitles to the videos, by adding some engaging texts or some engaging images to the video, and adding a caption to the video. That makes a lot of sense. That actually drives the user after watching the video to something that you want them to do. That is how important adding a caption and the subtitle to the video is. Number 5th is creating posts and carousels. I do not even need to say you about that. I do not even need to remind you about that, because you already know how important creating posts and carousels are. Hashtags and keywords, the last but not the least, as it always is, use of hashtags and keywords. Social media today is evolving towards a place where it is going to become more of a search engine. It has already started becoming one, but in the coming times, it will be much, much more than what it is today. It will no longer be, with the posts that only you like and you follow, but it will be more of a suggested thing where your interests, your previous searches will trigger the posts that you see, the videos that you see, and not only the profiles or the accounts or the people who you follow. So, using the right hashtags and using the right keywords becomes very important. I hope these 6 tricks, these 6 ideas will help you a lot in the way forward in getting and growing online on social media. And if you have any questions, feel free to come back to me, ask me, and I'll be happy to help you. See you in the next video. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.